We all have minor skin problems every now and again, but when long-term skin problems arise, you might need to consult with a dermatologist. There are plenty out there, but that means that choosing one can be difficult. Here are 5 things that you need to keep in mind before choosing a dermatologist. 1. Know what you need and choose the right type of dermatologist. Different dermatologists cover different areas. For example, a general dermatologist will usually treat conditions like rosacea and acne. Make sure that you know what your skin concern is before you try to find a dermatologist. 2. Only consider licensed and certified clinics. A lot of dermatologists list their certifications and specialized fields online. Make sure that you look for something that involves the American Academy of Dermatology or another reputable board. 3. Check out their reputation. When you first meet a dermatologist, you can see how credible they are. If they start to sound like they are pitching sales and selling products, then you should find another dermatologist. 4. Consider gender. You may also want to think about what gender your dermatologist should be. This isn't too important, but some people are only happy discussing their skin concerns with people of their own gender, and you need to feel comfortable. 5. Understand the costs and what your insurance covers. There are lots of different conditions that dermatologists can diagnose and treat, but the cost of treating certain conditions could be quite expensive. Check with your insurance provider and your chosen dermatologist before you agree to a treatment plan. Good skin is a key component of overall beauty and good health. It also affects your emotional and mental well-being. By making the right choices when it comes to skincare, you can look good and feel good about yourself. If you are currently looking for an accredited dermatologist who can handle and treat your problem professionally, using the most cutting-edge diagnostic measures and treatment options, contact us today to arrange a free consultation.